DORs, hey, what's going on, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel? Thank you for watching. We're talking jet ski or personal watercraft hoists, and we're going to replace our bunks today. They're in really bad shape, and they're many, many years old. You'll see the condition of them here shortly. Let's get started. We've made our way to our lake, and we have a Star brand jet ski hoist or personal watercraft hoist, and as you can see, the bunks, they're in bad shape. The right bunk is cracked, and the carpet is fraying off. And these need to be replaced before we launch the jet ski and put it on this hoist. Inside the lake, into a closer view, again cracked, and the carpet is in very bad shape. And our measurement is 2 inches by 6 inches by 84 inches. And the crack is right inside here. I'll show you on the other side. See that? Not good. And when the weight of the jet ski is on here, it bows out pretty bad. And in our case, 3 sets of bolts, 1, 2 at the midpoint, and way down at the other end. We are going to remove both of the boards, take them to our local marina, and they are going to get the measurements and cut new boards and put new carpet on them. Alright DIYers, hey, a quick break in the action. I'm not actually going to bore you with loosening up the hardware or bolts and nuts and removing those, followed by removing the boards. All I'm going to do is grab the impact wrench. I will show you that here shortly, and I'm going to remove the boards. And after that, again, I'm going to take the boards to the local marina. They are going to match the measurements, followed by drilling the 3 bolt holes in each board. And in addition to that, at the very beginning of the boards, you will notice there is a slanted cut. They will also cut the new boards with that slanted or 45-degree entry angle. And unlike these boards, it is clear as day that there was never padding put underneath the carpet. However, the new boards are going to be treated, and a padding will be installed first, and then the brand new carpet installed. And once I get the phone call, I'll go pick up the boards, reverse the steps, install them, and I'll show you what it looks like. DOR's changing pace. We have made our way down to the workstation, and in front of us is the trailer for our 1995 Sea-Doo XP, and we are replacing the bunks on this trailer as well, and you will see why here shortly. These are treated and padded bunks, which is really nice, and this is the stapled side of the carpet, as you see, and these are really nice. Down below in the comments and description will be links on where to purchase these. And there's the opposite side, not installed. Again, the old bunks are still installed. And unfortunately, the previous owner put this tape on there, and these are in really bad shape, and that creates a lot of friction. Definitely makes it harder for the jet ski to go in and off, or on and off, the trailer. In addition, we are going to reupholster a seat for a 95 XP. Both links down below in the comments and description.